It's Daniel's birthday!
Ooh, good.
Oh, hot. Ooh.
Hey, cameraman. Look at this. Smells good. Look. Ooh, good.
What's today?
Saturday.
What else?
It's Daniel's birthday! Two. Ah! Darn it. It's okay.
You can still use him?
Yeah. Because the icing is going to hold it together. Put a little pink. Let's gently press. Gently broke
Looks
it.
good.
There's another one. I'm trying to think.
Facebook Live?
Yeah. Because the event is live.
It's the birthday party.
And I'm making these cookie cats.
Ooh.
I was originally gonna make a cake,
Well,
but
let's make it big.
kind of ran out of time. So I saw these at HEB and I was like, this is perfect. Because you can see the two little ears, and I can just chop these off and make cookie cats. Don't drop it. Please don't drop it. Whatever. Oh my God, whatever you do, don't drop it. Oh, we forgot your birthday outfit. Can you hand me his birthday outfit?
Oh.
He looks so unhappy right now. It's okay.
Look at me.
Oh my God. What you're gonna have to check out on our video channel. Oh, y'all, let's check this out. We got, ooh, dang. What's this one? Ooh, a ball of paper. Ooh.
We should eat that paper, right?
Ooh, paper.
Ooh,
It's hot. Ooh. Let's close this up. We got Dad on the camera over here.
Ah!
I'm gonna go show the cookie cats.
Okay. That's my way.
Happy birthday from Marcus! Welcome to Daniel's party. We got pizza. 2 presents for Daniel to open. Party hats. Today Daniel is 1 year old. Daniel was out here earlier, but he's a little camera shy.
He doesn't stay in one spot for very long.
Yeah, he doesn't stay in one spot. He's a man of comfort. He likes to lay on the bed. And as soon as we're done eating pizza, we're gonna bring him out, open his gifts for him, and then
Mama, look.
I got hot wings.
so last year, Seth and I went to the Humane Society to look for a furry friend to adopt, but we didn't see anyone we really clicked with. So we went to check out the cats,
I've got a cat.
and that's when we saw little Daniel in the window. So as we're hanging out with Daniel in the glass room, there's like a family of with 5 kids just staring at him and pointing at him, basically saying, we want to play with that one next. I looked at Seth, I was like, no way, we gotta take this guy home. So we got out of the little private room and we told the lady we want to take him home. So she got all his paperwork and everything ready. And he was still too little to have all of his shots done. So we had to wait to go pick him up. And then the rest of them we had to get at the doctor's. So
Look at this hot pepper. I'm gonna eat it, and it's so spicy.
Oh, it's so cute. Look. Mama, look.
Thumbs up if you like really hot peppers or hot salsas.
I like salsa. I like Fernandez salsa.
Comment below if you've ever heard of that brand.
I don't think the pizza guy believed me when I said it was my cat's birthday.
But when I came home, I saw this crazy looking cat. And I was scared too. And then we were both scared and we both looked at each other. And we were scared. And then we ran in separate directions. It was the craziest day of my life. Pepperoni, olives, and mushrooms. Ooh, looks good.
Also, comment below if you have a cat also.
If you have a cat, are you going to throw your cat a birthday party?
Yeah. I have you already thrown a birthday party? This is our first.
Michael.
Those are going to be so fun. He's going to play with them and he's going to keep us up all
Look,
night.
Daniel.
Oh, that's so good. You should throw it and see if he catches it.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, he likes it.
Ooh.
Well, let's do
Flying squirrel? A flying bear? Look at this little thing.
pizza.
I'm going to see if I can throw it. Dang, boy.
Oh.
I don't think he knows where they are.
Alright, so you put the little catnip inside the little critter. Look, Danny. Danny, look. Ooh, oh yeah.
Oh, catnip. Ooh, it's catnip.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Oh,
Oh, yummy.
I'll give you a little massage.
Oh, catnip.
I'll give you a little massagey. You my friend? Oh yeah, let me get on your back. Ooh, ah, ooh. Danny. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you. Blow for him. Okay, eat it, Seth. Yay!
Yummy. Oh, that's so yummy.
Okay, let's give it to
Look
Danny.
how good that looks. That's so good.
Oh, Danny, check out your cake.
Seth, you have to eat it for Daniel.
Oh, it's so bad.
That looks so good, man.
Danny.
Yummy, yummy.
Dad doesn't want his cake.
You want your cake? You want your cake?
Daniel, this is Hollywood. You just can't do whatever you want. You gotta do stuff. You gotta do stuff.
Be tough.
Be tough. Be tough. Eat it. Eat it. Eat the food.